Here I have VIVO Y36, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you should hold down power key. Okay, so now we hold down power key, then we hold down our finger on power off, then it suggests us to reboot to safe mode, just tap OK, and after that device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, you should just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.